Aloha, everyone. How are you? Say it's me, Charlie, and I'm doing a review of these uh, measuring cups and uh, spoons that come together as a group. Now, these spoons are magnetic. That's what's holding them together, and the cups have a little ring. Now, when I'm not, with the ones I'm not using or when I'm through using them, I'll hang them up here, and so they're always there. And I also put the measuring spoons there so I know where they're at all the time. Now I'm making some bread in my bread machine. I'm making a breakfast bread, and this has walnuts, cinnamon, dates, raisins, and apples in it. And these cups are very good because when it comes to baking, you have to be very precise. You can't mess with the recipe too much, or else the loaf will not rise properly. It'll sink in the middle, or it just won't come out tasting good. Now, I like this set because it also has a leveler here. For flour, I have to fill this up, but I could just scoop this across and make sure I get the right amount of flour. Uh, this set also has, now this side would be for liquids, and this side is for flours or sugar and stuff. I like this because you can measure it and just pour it into the container that you need to. And these work very well. I love the magnets that hold them together. They clean up. I like the little brass gold color. And I've been using them. They're very accurate. They work well. I use them for cooking when I make wok recipes or just salsas or anything. They work really great. Okay, well, that's my review on these. I really like them. They're very pretty. They clean easily. They don't stain. And that's about it. This is your friend in Maui. Sincerely, Charlie. Mahalo.